Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix App Store not downloading apps on your iPhone. So how can you fix that? Now the first thing that you need to do is just go inside the settings of your mobile phone and make sure that the date and the time of your mobile phone is correct. And once you confirm your date and time is confirmed, after that what you can do is just go back and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. Change your Wi-Fi, and once you change your Wi-Fi, make sure that enter the right password and your internet is working. If still you face the issue, so what you can do is just go inside the general, scroll down and go inside transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset and just reset all settings. Once you click on reset all settings, your mobile phone will restart, and it will take might 3 to 4 minutes. And once you restart reset all the settings, after that try to turn the app store back on, and hopefully your problem will be fixed. That is a simple and some few solutions which you can try and solve your problem easily.